Okay, finally, we're ready to solve for the future value. The future value is the principal plus the interest, how much money we have in the future. You've decided to start a new car fund. You deposit $6,000 into an account paying 10% simple. How much money will you have in 50 months? Okay, so let's look at this. Future value is principal plus I. I equals PRT. That means that future value is principal plus principal times RT. What we can do is factor out this P. And we get 1 plus RT. This is a formula that we're going to see a lot of. And if I want to go backwards, because we're going to see this, P equals FV divided by 1 plus RT. These are new equations that we're going to see are sometimes easier to use. In this case, I never need to solve for I. So FB, P, R, T. Future value is what I'm trying to find. The present value is $6,000. R is 10%, and T is 50 months, which is 50 over 12 years. And I'm going to leave that as 50 over 12. So the future value equals the principal times 1 plus 0.1 times 50 over 12. I'm going to put that into the calculator now. Let's pull up our calculator. And I like to work from the inside out. And you can use your brackets to do this any way you want. 50 divided by 12 is this, times 10%, add 1, equals, now I'm going to multiply that by 6,000. And I end up with $8,500. I don't have the interest here. It's easy to tell that the interest is going to be future value minus principal, which is $8,500 minus $6,000 is $2,500. But it's good to know we don't need that intermediate value. Okay, let's do another one like this. On December 31st, you repaid a loan to the Hammerhead Finance and Loan Company. You repaid $6,000, which was principal and interest on a 5-year loan at 10% simple. How much money did you borrow? Well, in this case, I don't know I or P. I need to use this future value. 1P equals FV divided by 1 plus RT. So let's write that down. P, FB, R, and T. Principal's what I'm trying to find. The future value is $6,000 because that was principal plus interest. The interest rate is 10% and the time was 5 years. Putting that into our equation here, I get P equals $6,000 divided by 1 plus 0.1 times 5. This time I'm going to simplify the denominator. I think that ends up being easier to put into a calculator. Well, 0.1 times 5 is 0.5, so I end up with 6,000 divided by 1.5. Well, that is exactly $4,000, so that's how much we borrowed. I'm going to do a little calculator note here. 1 plus 0.10 times 5, with our brackets the way they should be. Multiplication before addition is 1 plus 0.5 is 1.5. If I do this wrong, 1 plus 0.1, addition first, and then multiply it by 5, that's chain mode. I end up with 1.1 times 5, which is 5.5. This is wrong. This is not the way we should be doing things. So pay attention to the algebra and how you put things in the calculator. It's okay to use extra steps.